Working with an EPC file from an automotive or industrial parts system. This is a parts catalog database used for equipment maintenance and ordering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and navigate these electronic parts catalog files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest EPC cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. EPC. Files are electronic parts. Catalog database files used in automotive, industrial, and equipment maintenance environments. They contain structured parts, data, including part numbers, descriptions, illustrations, cross-references, pricing, and fitment information, organized by assembly and subassembly hierarchy for efficient parts identification and ordering. Electronic parts catalog EPC files use proprietary database formats specific to each manufacturer's catalog system. They typically store index part records with hierarchical assembly, trees exploded, diagram references, part interchange data, supersession information, and inventory compatibility matrices for the equipment line they document. In most cases, EPC files work best with Snap-on EPC created by Snap-on Incorporated. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows may detect the format, but it cannot reveal stored data without DB tools. To open this specific EPC file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Snap-on EPC is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If the EPC file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent EPC problem. First, opening in catalog software. Launch the manufacturer's electronic parts catalog application such as Mercedes EPC Toyota EPC or Caterpillar SIS and open the catalog database. Navigate the parts, hierarchy by model year and assembly group. Select assemblies to view exploded diagrams with clickable part callouts, link to part number details, and ordering information. Next, searching for parts. Use the catalog software's search function to find parts by part number, description, or application. Cross-reference search locates equivalent parts across model variations. VIN-based lookup narrows results to parts compatible with a specific vehicle or equipment serial number for accurate parts identification. Finally, updating catalog data. EPC databases require periodic updates to include new parts supersessions and pricing changes. Download update packages from the manufacturer's dealer portal or parts information system. Apply updates through the Catalog Applications Update function, which merges new data into the existing parts database. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.